Nikki, and here's the Cómo Sabré TikTok challenge. So you're breaking your wrists. Right arm is up, left arm is down, and switch. While you do that, the feet are popping. Right foot up, right arm up, left foot up. From there, you're going to step back on the right foot, grab the hands, and switch the feet to the front. Switching, the right arm comes in front. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, you're going to scoop 5, 6. So this hand is just slicing. 5, 6. Hit 7. Chest goes in. Hit legs go out on 8. That's the first part. Let's try it. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Okay, so second part, you're going to take 4 steps back. Right foot, hit the hips. Left foot, hit the chest. Right foot, hit the hips. Left foot, hit the chest. Last little bit. We finished here. You're going to step left foot, right hand, left hand, roll, roll. Cool, let's try that second part. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8.